Hello everybody. In this video I will talk about sorting. Sorting is a method of ordering data either in ascending order or in descending order. There are different sorting algorithms proposed. Some of them are insertion sort, bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, selection sort, etc. In this video I will be talking about insertion sort. Okay. So let's suppose this is a list of given data. 21, 22, 5, 19 and so on. When these elements are sorted, we will get this one. Smaller elements appear in the beginning, larger elements appear at the end. Now, according to insertion sort, how these elements are sorted, now let's see. Now here in this list, let's take the second element first. Okay, let's take this one and we'll be comparing this second element with all the element before this one. Okay, now first we'll be comparing this with 21. And this 21 is smaller, so we'll be doing nothing. Okay, 21, 22, 5, 19, 4, 18. Now we will move the pointer and we'll consider this element 5. We'll start comparing 5 with all the elements before this 5. Okay, here 22 is element just before to 5 and 22 is greater, so we'll shift 22 one position right. Then we'll compare 5 with 21. 21 is also greater than 5. So we'll shift this 21 one position right. Okay. Now before 21 there is nothing. So we'll bring this 5 to this place. We'll insert this 5 to this place. Okay. Now and the remaining elements will be copied like this. Now we'll be moving pointer here to the another element. Now we'll be comparing 19 with 22. 22 is greater. So we'll bring 22 here. We'll shift 22 one position right. Then we'll compare 19 with 21 and we will shift this 21 one place right because 21 is greater. Now we'll be comparing 19 with 5 and this 5 is smaller, so we'll stop comparing and we'll insert this 19 here and we'll write 5 here. Okay, now we'll copy the remaining elements like this. Now we'll move the pointer here. Okay, now this we'll compare 4 with 22. 22 is greater, bring it here, bring or shift one position to the right. We'll compare 21 with 4, again shift 21 one position right. We'll compare 19 because these elements are greater than 14. So bring 19 also one position right. We'll compare 5 and 4. 5 is greater, so shift one position 5 one position right. Now before 5 there is nothing, so we'll insert this 4 to this position. Okay, now 18 will be written as it is. Now we'll move pointer to here. 18 will be compared with 22. This is greater, bring it here. 18 will be compared with 21, greater. 19 also greater. Now 5 will be compared and 5 is less than 18. So stop comparing and we'll bring 18 to or insert 18 here and 5 as it is. So in this way data will be sorted. Okay, now this is the basic idea behind insertion sort. Now let's write the code for insertion sort in Java. Now let's declare a class insertion sort. Okay, now let's make this I public static void main string AR. Okay, we have to use the create array here, so AR. Okay, now let's declare array int ARR is equal to 21, 22, 5, 19, 4, 81. Okay, now let's declare some variables I, j, item and n. Let's assign size of array to n. Okay, now let's use the loop for I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus now. Okay, now let's assign the second element here. Okay, ARR I. Then initially this will assign the second element. Now let's suppose that 5. Okay, then it is 4, then there is 7, 8. Now let's suppose now this will be now item here. Okay, now we will be comparing 4 with all the elements before 4. So we have to use another loop for j is equal to I minus 1. we have to compare item with the elements before this. So j has to be decremented. I has to be decremented and assigned to j. Now j should be greater than or equal to 0, and we will be comparing this element until we reach the beginning of the list, or we find element less than this element. Okay, if we find element less than this one, okay, so or arr j, if it is will be less than, no less than, bigger than, we have to break it 0, and if item is greater than item, then j minus minus. Okay, if this is greater, second, if this element is greater, then we have to shift. Okay, so what we do here is arr j plus 1 is equal to arr j. Okay, so what this for loop does is it will shift the element. Okay, let's suppose there is 6 here, also there is 1. Now let's consider this 4 first. Okay, 4 will be 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is the 3, so this is item. Okay, this is item. Now it is at position 3. Now j is I minus 1. Okay, now this is j. 3 minus j is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. 0 1 2. Now this element will be compared with this one. This 5 is greater than item. J is greater than 0 is also true. J is 2 here, and this 5 is greater than 4. This is also true. So we will be taken inside the loop. Now arr j plus 1 is equal this is assigned this value. So here in j, what we are having, this is okay 5 in j. We are assigning this to this position. We are assigning j because j, now j is incremented to 1, so j will become 3. Now 5 will be shifted here. Okay, okay, now again 4 will be compared here. Okay, 4 will be compared. This we have assigned this 4 to the item. J will be decremented by 1, so j will become 1. Okay, j will become 1 because it is 2 here. Now it will become 1. Now 6 will be compared with this 4. Okay, so what will happen is 6 will be shifted 1 step because of this statement. Okay, so in this way we can write the for loop to shift the elements, and after shifting the element we have to insert that element, to insert this item to its specific position, and this is arr j plus 1 is equal to item. Okay, so that's it. Using this two for loops, we can order the elements with the concept of insertion sort. Okay, now we'll be displaying this element I is equal to 0 less than n I plus plus system dot out dot print plus arri. Now we will get the sorted array. Okay, so in this way, using this insertion sort concept, we can sort the array. Okay, now let's see if I have missed any brackets. No. Okay, it seems fine. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.